Okay, I'm doing the swing arm pivot bearing project. This is the old stuff. This was in the swing arm. I had a bearing grenade on me and I ran it into the ground. Basically, this is the one good one that I pulled out of the swing arm, pounded that out. And this is the remnants of the other bearing, and I had a heck of a time getting that out. I had to put some heat to it. Tried pounding it out, not really to any avail, but with the heat, Dremel and chisel, trying not to get the inside of the swing arm wall much, I was able to get that out. That was after, this is the sleeve for the swing arm. It was pretty chewed. It's a 96, 97 Banshee. This is the all original stuff. I've had it in the sand, I've had it in the dirt and mountains, I've had it everywhere. This is the swing arm pivot bolt that was really tough to get out. I pounded on that for 2 days, and I kind of polished it up after the fact. This end, I managed to mushroom a little bit. Even though I had the original bolt on it, I was trying to pound it out, I mushroomed a little bit. But I took the Dremel and I kind of got it into the thread and kind of opened it up, and I took the edge off of it a little bit. And I found this. I had this nut laying around, so we're good to go. So after I got the Chinese swing arm bearing kit, and I was highly disappointed because the shaft for the pivot did not go over this bolt. I mean, it was, yeah, I could probably machine it. I could, whatever. I shouldn't have to do that. This is all standard. This is all stock Banshee stuff. So I got on eBay. I sent it back, and I looked around, and I saw Pivot Works, and I went to extra money, and I thought I'm gonna do it. And they sent it quick. So I've got the swing arm kit, and the first thing I did is, let me set this down for a sec. The first thing I did was I got this pivot shaft, and I wanted to make sure that it went in here. And sure enough, it fit like a glove. So I knew it was on the right track. So with that in gear, and these bearings, they're encased, they're high quality. So I'm on the road to getting this thing done. But I guess basically what I'm saying is, if you're gonna put parts in it, in anything, your bike, your quad, go the extra distance and get something that's actually either American made or has a name behind it. What I'm gonna do next is kind of clean out the swing arm. I've got to do a little bit of cleaning, especially on the other side. The other side is what grenaded, so the walls are kind of a little bit rough. So I'm going to take my time and get that in and get it going. And that's what we're doing. Anyway, spend extra bucks, buy something with some quality.